Here in central Zambia is open wooded savanna, with wide clearings dotted with acacia trees, good for agriculture where it is watered by the river. The people keep goats and grow crops in the clearings, but they have very little impact on the wildlife. Near one of the favourite watering places, a colony of carmine bee-eaters has set up home. The birds ignore the comings and goings around them. They've become familiar with people and their domestic animals down the centuries. To the bee-eaters, people are no more of a threat than buffalo. They carry on their urgent business under the very feet of the locals, digging out nesting tunnels in the bank of the river. Onlookers are likely to get a faceful of sand. As one woman comes to the bank, the birds fly out in a dense swarm. But this has nothing to do with her movements. Bee-eaters perform these mock panic flights even when they don't know anyone is there. It might be to reassure them that the colony is not too crowded. They soon return from their mass exodus. The carmine bee-eater in other parts of Africa is a migrant, moving from the cooler northern and southern extremes of the continent to warmer parts where it breeds. But it lives in Zambia all year round, breeding between September and November. At this time of year, it's joined by a rarer relation, the white-fronted bee-eater, which also shows no fear of people. In fact, all the birds are content to use the bundles of reeds as perches, and to search them for any insects that might have sought shelter inside. As the people work around them, the birds have an occasional aerial census, if that's what their apparent panic attacks are really for.